Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to cut music in CapCut. I'm going to show you two ways. So first of all, you want to unselect your video which you want to add music to. So basically you unselect it, you click audio right here and click on sounds. Now you want to choose a sound which fits you. So let's choose, for example, travel, and let's choose this one. And let's give a plus sign. Now, as you can see, this sound goes on, and it's longer than our video. So you want to split it. Now, to do this, one way is to go ahead and click on your sound, select it. Now you want that white cursor to be at the end of your video where you want to split it, and you're gonna click split right here. As you can see now, there are two different sound options, and basically you want to select the one you want to delete, and now we selected that last one, and you want to click delete. And that's it. Now your video and the sound are the same length. Another way to do this is actually, let's get back now, not to split it, but basically you select on your sound, you go ahead to the back, and you see that white box right there at the end with a minus sign. So you want to hold it and drag it until your video like this. And that's basically the same. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.